Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and life hack videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Happy 2019, guys! I'm sure many of you out there have made a New Year's resolution to get healthy or start eating healthier or some kind of fitness or lifestyle resolution that includes healthy eating. I just made this smoothie earlier this morning and it was the first time making it, and guys, it is so good. I really couldn't believe it. And if you don't like green smoothies and you don't like the taste of greens, this is a perfect introductory smoothie to the green lifestyle. If you are interested in a smoothie that has zero sugar and it is more of like a meal replacement, I will leave a link in the description below. I posted a Fab4 smoothie recipe previously, and that is also a great option. So without further ado, let's get started. All you're going to need is some baby spinach, half of a lemon, half of a green apple, half of a banana, coconut water, regular water, and turmeric or ginger is optional. We're gonna start with fresh baby spinach. I always try to get the organic kind from the store because trust me, it's different. I don't know how it's different, but it does taste a little bit different. But I guess since everybody's on the health bandwagon this year since New Year's just started, all of the organic baby spinach is gone. So regular kind is fine, I guess. We're gonna start with 3 cups of baby spinach. Just like loosely pack it in. We're gonna do 1, or like 2 in like a handful. You don't even have to go all the way to 3. 2 in a handful, a lot of spinach. Next, we're gonna take our coconut water. And if you really hate green smoothies, you can do 2 cups of the coconut water. I already had one today with 2 cups of the coconut water. It was so good. So I think I'm just gonna do 1 cup, and then I'm gonna do 1 cup of water. Next, you're going to blend this up so that the greens get all mixed up. You don't need a Vitamix for this. Like, my blender actually did it really well. You might need to leave it on for like a minute or 2, but just make sure that, you know, there's no chunks in there and it's just pure green liquid. As you can see, there's no like floaters or any chunky stuff. While this was blending, I chopped up half of the green apple, and I'm gonna put these into the smoothie mix along with my half of a banana. It doesn't have to be frozen, and my lemon is like really big, so I'm gonna cut it into like a 1/4 and just kind of squeeze that in. Make sure you don't get any seeds in it, otherwise even just like 1 seed can make it like taste kind of bitter. And lastly, we're gonna add some turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it is just such a good additive, especially if you can get fresh turmeric. By the way, another like life hack is if you're peeling turmeric or ginger, get a spoon and then just kind of like scrape the skin off, and you will save so much more of it, and it's actually so much easier than trying to use a knife. Oh, by the way guys, if you have white nails, be careful when you're doing turmeric. It can stain your nails yellow. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna add about this much, literally like the size of my thumb. And I'm gonna chop it up and then just add this in as well. And then blend this up. And voila. Use my metal straws, by the way guys, these are amazing. So immediately after I am done drinking this, I'm going to film my top 10 favorite items that I've purchased on Amazon. Guys, I am like an Amazon junkie. I have so many amazing finds on there. I like buy and return things like nonstop on Amazon. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you're subscribed and definitely check that one out this week. If you like this, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you try it, what you think about it. And if you're interested in more smoothie recipes like all the time, I am constantly posting on Instagram, on my Instagram stories, all of my smoothies and my drink recipes and my healthy food recipes like every day. So if you are interested in seeing this on like a daily basis, definitely check me out. My tag is here. It's Hello Kristen with 2 N's at the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Happy 2019, guys.